Right. For those of you that are interested, there's a bit of an addition to last year. We got rid of the 18-foot intex pool. Had to move the jacuzzi. Took the pool away from there. Moved the shed. Rearranged the whole garden and decking, and bought myself a 20-foot by 10-foot pool. Still got an intex one. Swear by him, good mate. Decent solar cover this time on a roller. But the extra addition, and there's a method in my madness, is not only the air source heat pump that you saw in the last video, which currently we're at, bearing in mind this is 5:25 and it's not very warm out here tonight. But the work of art, of pipe work, leads to a lovely certikin gas boiler running off a propane bottle, which works really good. Currently, well, it's 23 because it's flickering. Picked it up quite cheap. So basically, we've got water running out the pump, in through the air source heat pump, out the air source heat pump, into the gas boiler to give it that extra boost, straight back into the pool. Currently, we've only got an ambient temperature of about 16 degrees. It's about it's 18 degrees. But there's method in my madness, and basically what I'm planning on doing is, because our beautiful temperature isn't brilliant, we'll start off with this beast. You get a bit of warmth in the pool in the morning, and when the temperature picks up at around about midday, 1 o'clock in this garden, we'll switch over to this. People might think, oh, you're mad, you know, why are you having both? Because I can.